Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Squidward Radio. We are your hosts, the two Rappling Idiots, and, well, you can read the, screen. That's what the game is called.
White noise. Woo!
Spoopy.
Reminds me of that movie.
Movie?
Yeah, there's a movie called White Noise, but it's
really?
nothing. It's nothing like the game. It's like this guy sees dead people through.
I see dead people.
You know the white fuzzy shit, which is white noise. Yeah, he sees faces and shit through that.
I was about to pause it. So,
What up, skeleton guy? Where are we going?
we got our spooky, scary skeleton over here.
Spooky, scary skeleton.
So, whoa, what the?
Oh, already at it.
Oh, wow, what? Okay, what the heck? What the heck?
Keep running, buddy.
Oh, wow.
I wasn't expecting to get that.
Okay, I was about to ask what this game was about, but...
We're supposed to find stuff. We're like investigators.
Ah! This is some paranormal witness. Or Blair Witch Project. BS here. Oh, what? Okay, so... You're getting away from the investigators, try to... What was that clicking? Oh. Thought it was a monster.
One scary monster.
Click, 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 click.
Looks like somebody had a party here.
Oh. Like, this looks like something you would see in France, or with, you know, that, underneath there's like...
Hey, I found...
it's bad when the voices, you know, scare you. Right there. Oh!
Staring at me. Don't look at me.
Oh, what the heck? Brian!
Save him. Maybe not. He's dead.
What the heck was that?
I don't know, and I don't want to find out.
Wait, do you have stamina?
Yeah, you have stamina.
Okay.
Okay, so my buddy's dead.
Well.
Hold on, let me let the dog in. Hopefully I don't get killed.
Alright.
Everybody's favorite dog.
Hold on. Let me... No, I can. He is sniffing my shoe. Hey, Gabriel. I know these are new shoes, but... Come on.
Tape in here, too.
Okay.
Get
It's...
it?
No, it's...
No, I got a message. You can't split up. Oh, he's a ghost now. Do I have to follow you?
You're going away from the... Huh. What the...
This game's actually pretty good.
A bit fuzzy on the eyes, though. You hear that? Do you hear that thump thump? Oh. Oh, I thought so. What the frick? Oh, stay away from those.
Oh, my flashlight. I think I'm running out of batteries.
Hello!
But so does the creature. Oh, wow. Well.
That creature's there. I'm trying to avoid it. What the hell is that?
Avoid those. It'll tell the creature where you are. Wait, I thought I saw something move. Maybe it was just the... You know, the,
Another one.
yeah. Oh, a dark corridor.
Yeah, I'm screwed.
Nothing bad ever happens in a dark corridor. Ah!
Oh!
What the frick?
God. Subject 23.
Screw you! Pausing. And we're back.
Oh, now we're outside.
Oh, great! Nothing bad could happen outside.
Skeleton dude, I guess we better stick together this time. I just don't know where to go. We want to follow you. Ooh, a cornfield?
Oh, I know. I've seen this movie. Well, not actually, but
Oh, it's not a cornfield, it's just
hedge. Lame. Whoa!
there he is. Yeah, I'm out of this.
Is he dead again?
This guy sucks.
Where is he? Where are you? Note to self: use other guy as
Okay.
meat. Yeah, meat shield.
That worked too. I just dipped off while I died.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, hey, who's a ghost again? There's his dead body.
Where'd he go? All right.
Ghost?
Whoa! Oh no 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 no
Running out
no!
of stamina.
Ah!
That thing's scary.
Groot! No!
Come on, run, man, run.
I think it's gone.
I think it's toying with me.
Oh, the worst kind of predator. The one that toys with you. Give you a little spook here and a little, you know, scare there. You'll be able to find some clues, but I'm not gonna let you get out of this.
Yeah. Exactly. Usually sometimes you can find tape sticking out of it.
Huh.
And that thing popped up on us twice.
Oh.
Killed homie.
Well, he kind of deserved it for not running. Oh.
Oh, that guy. I feel like the maps are pretty big.
Yeah. Okay, where are you? Another one.
Is that another thing you got? I hate how your string gets all fuzzy.
I know, it's... Oh, I hear it. Ah!
He's behind me.
More ghoul! Well...